Mr. Mohamed Hassan, Business Development Director of Trend Egypt for Systems SA, who will drive us through and help us understand the challenges that are involved while navigating information and communication technology in our business. So, Mr. Hassan, the floor is yours. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Okay. My name is Mohamed Hassan, and I'm the Business Development Director at Trend Egypt for Systems. And I have more than 25 years of experience in the automation and digital transformation, focusing in the the financial services industry. That's why I'm interested to today and excited to talk about the challenges of the ICT in the financial services sector. Also, I will talk about some proposed solutions and some future insights. Okay, let me introduce, give us a brief introduction about Trend. Trend is an IT solutions provider. We have a set of products that are designed to advance the financial services industry. We also have a set of solutions of services that covers consultancy, either business consultancy or technical consultancy, and implementation and support services, not for the IT products and solutions, not only that owned by Trend, but any IT solutions and products in the market. We ensure the compliance with the regulations established by the FRA and CBE. And when we are talking about the regulations, we must say that Trend is very quickly compliant with the any new regulations once published by the regulatory organizations. We leverage the advanced technology to align with the industry standards and best practices in the business. Trend Egypt is proudly an Egyptian company. It was established in Egypt as software house in 2012. In 2017, we merged with other 3 Egyptian companies to extend our services and products. In 2020, we foreseen that the market will need the artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and cloud services. So we started gradually to leverage our global network and signed a partnership with some global partners. We started in 2020 by the partnership with Alisys Data, which is an American company who are specialized in the artificial intelligence services. This partnership helped us to advance our artificial intelligence solutions and products, and also extended our market to include the United States and Europe. In 2024, we also established a formal partnership with Huawei, which is an international leader in the cloud technology. And this partnership allowed us to provide the cloud services locally in Egypt, as Huawei established their data center in Egypt. And also they are registered with the FRA, and they are the first officially registered service solutions, cloud solutions provider in Egypt for the financial service and the fintech. In parallel, we were working on our own products, which is the financial services solutions. So in 2021, we launched our first release of the financial services system, including the factoring and leasing modules. And in 2023, we launched the second release. Currently, we are working in the third release, which will be launched by mid of 2025. We are concerned currently, or we are focusing on the financial services enablement in 2025. And we'll talk later in the next slide about what we mean about the financial services enablement. I will start with the ICT challenges in the financial services sector. The first challenge is the complexity of the business rules and the operations and the calculations along with the follow-ups. And as you know, factoring business includes a lot of complex calculations that depends on each other. And also it includes a lot of follow-ups, starting from the contracting and facilities, the documents, expiry dates, the invoices due dates, the collections due dates, and the actions that should be taken in specific dates. The second challenge is the decision-making process and the credit analysis, which takes a long time as it requires collecting a huge amount of documents and extract a lot of data that to be used in the credit analysis or credit study and issuing the credit report and finally reach a credit decision. Both processes or both challenges are very possible to include human mistakes and also there would be a possibility for wrong decision. The third challenge is the information and communication technology and its related risks. Starting from the infrastructure, the hardware preparations, the compatibility, the integration and the upgrades, administration, and even the IT staff, and their high turnover. The ICT management and its risks requires a professional IT team, and that not only professional, but they must be always up to date with the market and with the new risks in the IT and the new technologies that are emerging every day. Finally, as we are talking about digital environment, then there's cybersecurity threats that we must take care of. Okay. Our main mission is empowering the financial service industry by solutions, software solutions, backed by leading partners. We'll talk about the solutions for the risks or for the challenges. First, the solution of the operations, the challenge is delivering comprehensive software to oversee all the operations and controls and carry out the calculations automatically and provide the monitoring. And in this, we provide a software solution in which we hide the complexity of the operations and the calculations behind the simplicity of the interface and the design. The solution for the decision support challenge is offering artificial intelligence-driven solutions for data analytics and decision-making and support, and this by using the machine learning and generative AI technologies. For the infrastructure challenge, this solution is implementing cloud solutions that provides the infrastructure as a service and security as a service and administration also as a service. So it's considered as you are providing all, or you're having all the IT infrastructure and staff and administration and upgrades as a service. So this release the hassle of management the information and communication technology. The main condition is that this cloud must be located inside or must be hosted inside Egypt to meet the FRA standards and regulations. Finally, the security. The solution is ensuring cybersecurity measures and assessments to protect your digital environment and also to comply with the FRA regulations and standards. When we think about the financial services enablement, on the heart of our offerings is our software product. But the fact that we need the infrastructure to run the engine, we need the artificial intelligence to provide smart solutions and to enhance the benefits of the system. And we need the cybersecurity for ultimate protection. So we provide the cloud service for the infrastructure in partnership with Huawei, which is an international technology leader in this area. And having their data centers in Egypt is a very good benefit to meet the FRA requirements. Then our factoring software, which is an Egyptian software built by Egyptian developers and is managed and maintained and supported locally in Egypt. And also the future development are all managed and carried out inside Egypt. Then the artificial intelligence tools and features that we are offering with partnership with Alisys Data, and these added smart features to the solution, and it's an endless process and unlimited development process and benefits of the artificial intelligence implementation. Finally, the cybersecurity. We provide the cybersecurity activities in partnership with Titanium Cybersecurity. Titanium Cybersecurity is an Australian company that are working in their main specification is the cybersecurity services, and we provide the protection or the assessment that are required by the FRA through Titanium, starting from the assessment up to the protection. Those are the main pillars for the financial services enablement. If you have any question, I'll be glad to answer. Anyone have any question? Okay, thank you.